video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and join the fam. Get you some good stuff, girl. Some good energy. If you are a returning babe, hello, hi girl. I hope you're doing well, flourishing. Thank you so much for your support. So today is another hair video, y'all. If y'all don't know, I've earned my cosmetology license, so I do practice cosmetology now. So yeah, y'all enjoy the video. Today doing some faux locs crochet style. I got this hair from Amazon. Link is gonna be down below. And yeah, y'all, my mom getting ready to go out of town, so I'm finna get her right real quick. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and watch my other videos. I'm gonna link some down below for y'all. Finna get right into it. Peace and blessings to y'all. I hope y'all are staying loved, staying encouraged, and just staying in good spirits.
Yeah, see you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of
Let me put some hot sauce on that in real quick.
Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hair is done. So this how we looking. What we got. Crochet, crochet all the way. Get into it. Oh y'all, hold on. I gotta do a close up on the baby hairs because I did my thing. Wait a minute. Edge is coming through. I missed the room. It's me. Y'all, I thought I recorded an outro for this video, but I didn't. So I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. I love you. Peace and blessings to you all, and I'll see you next time. Stay up.